Welcome back Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, we're going to see how to watch live TV on the VLC Media Player. Did you know you can watch live TV directly on VLC Media Player? Yes. In this video, I show you how to watch live TV on VLC Player step by step, using simple methods that work on Mac and Windows laptop and PC. No extra software, no complicated setup, just VLC. Okay, I have given you a link below this YouTube video. Open this link. If you look below the IPTV, you'll find a playlist link. You need to copy that. Then, open VLC Media Player, and if you look at the top, go to the File option there. Select the Open Network option. Copy that URL link, paste it here, and then click Open. Now, as you can see, it has automatically selected a channel. If you want a specific channel, you can go to the search option and type it in, and it will be displayed. I think this video will be useful to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.